Welcome back. We're back here. Where are we?
Hey guys, welcome back. We're out here at Bill Bags.
Oh shit.
Just kidding.
Dude, I almost died.
I was trying to do that on the way over here. I was like, bro, I'm gonna do that. All right guys, welcome back. We're out here at Biscayne National Park, and we're gonna hopefully get on sea trouts. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned.
We're going kayaks today.
Kayak fishing.
Yeah, we're gonna get a gator trout.
Sounds good.
Those are the ones that are like 14 inches, by the way, just so you know.
Hopefully. Let's see what happens.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's perfect. Nice. This is the top water PDL. This is the 110, right?
That's the 110.
Nice.
Remember to go a little bit deeper.
Yeah, and then drop the drive. Hold on. Oh, stable. Nice.
Drop the rudder.
No, I know.
And you go in reverse.
Oh wow, this thing turns on a dime. Hey, this thing turns really good, dude. Oh. We're good.
Reverse.
We're good, buddy. That's the good thing about reverse, man. How bad are the winds today? Because it's windy right now, dude.
What's that? 11 to 14, so more like 12. Very windy.
Super windy.
But it's coming from over there, so that means
Yeah, we can take refuge over there, eh?
in the middle. You're tired yet?
Maybe. Hands free, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. It's really, really windy. And the current is strong. There we go. Alright guys, check it out. I'm gonna use the gulp shrimp. This container I bought it the other day. Took with the gulp shrimp. Pretty good. Won't leak. This is what I'm using. See what happens. Check out my new kayak setup that I have here. A Spinfisher 6 4000 with 20-pound braid.
What is it?
All right, guys, got something on. Small little Jack Crevalle.
Put it on that roller rod.
I don't have a big enough hook.
Doesn't matter.
We can use them as cut bait though.
Oh, you got to. Score! First fish in the top water.
Check it out, guys. Small little Jack. Bro, once it hits that wind, it throws it completely to the other side. There we go. Oh, no! No! It cut me off completely. No, because I was trying to turn on the stupid camera. Oh my God. Check it out, guys. Had something on. I was messing with the GoPro thinking it wasn't on. It was on, and it cut me clean off. Damn it.
Whatever this is, it better be a fish.
A snapper. Nice, dude.
Man, something is something, dude.
Good job, Alex. Oh, crap. That wasn't good.
It's you, it's a cuda.
Nice, dude.
Of course, I had to get a cuda.
Nice.
Because if I don't, here, you take it off.
No, you take it off. You
No,
caught
you
it.
take it off.
You take it. I want to touch that damn thing. Bro,
take
this
it
guy. Let's go. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, buddy. Bro, is that how much your arm reaches? Right here.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Hold on, I got it.
Yeah, use the paddle.
Yeah.
Just, you don't have to grab it, all you have to do is just use the pliers.
No, I'll grab it. Oh, I could use it. Check it out, guys.
A little cuda is not like
Tiny. What's this thing? Check it out, guys. Hey, stop. Don't move.
Don't grab it.
Bro, I'm just gonna grab it, bro. Whoa, it's wrapping around is, that's not good. There we go. Check it out, guys. Nice little cuda. Good job, Alex.
That right there was...
Bro, you used a small hook.
Yeah,
How
man.
didn't this thing cut you off, man? Wow, you got him hooked good, bro, right on the side, man.
Thanks, bro.
Nice, dude. You're welcome.
Pliers, I don't have pliers, I have a cutter.
Where's my other GoPro? Oh, great.
Huh?
Oh, it's...
You lost the GoPro?
oh, no, it's here, it's here. Hang on, little buddy.
Man, it did the teeth. Look at this.
Oh, I frayed it?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Not too much, but one more minute and I think it would have... We're moving up. Thanks, Aaron, for now you got all that
For the
smell.
stinky, yeah, I smelled it. I was like, damn, what's that smell? Here you go. Whoa, coño. Damn, what a hit. What a nasty hit, bro. Wow, what the hell was that? Holy crap. We switched up to frozen shrimp. It's been working really good out here. I'm surprised.
Look, it's coming.
Coming towards us?
Yeah. It's like gator.
Oh, it's an iguana, dude.
Not iguana?
Yeah.
Bro, we caught that iguana offshore. We're saving it.
Wait, I think it's a gate.
No, it's not iguana.
It's an iguana, yeah. I just got a nasty hit, bro. It's about to get on my line. Check it out, guys. There's an iguana swimming right there. It went from that island to this island. How cool is that? Whoa! Damn, you saw that hit, dude? Did you see it, Alex?
No.
Bro, it almost took the rod out of my hand, bro. Bro, what's over there, man? Holy crap. Bro, that has to be a cuda, man. For it to hit like that hard and to almost pull the rod out of my hands. Wow. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, wait, I got something. Feels heavy, though. A tree branch. Look at the boat. The boat. Oh, there we go. Got it. Here you go. Getting bites. Got him. Got him. Got him. There we go. Oh, a nice snapper.
That's legal, man. Looks legal.
That might be legal, right?
Yeah.
Nice snapper. Oh, no, he's not legal one.
No?
No. Check it out, guys. Nice snapper. Let him go. Hold on, cause oh, come on. What was that?
Easy, man.
Oh my God.
Oh my. What
Holy
the heck?
shoot.
Oh, no, I'm going over there. Shoot. What?
Wow.
Bro, those are jacks. Those are giant jacks.
Alex, trust me, it was a fish, bro.
Bro, do you see that mullet jumping?
All right, guys. Gonna try some live mullet. Hopefully, I can cast net some. See what happens. Great. Great. Alex, wanna do me a favor?
What's up? Got stuff?
Yeah, dude. Right here, if you could just pull it your way, I think it'll come out. It in super fast. Go. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Whoa, I almost fell. Caught some. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Caught 3. Woo. Some nice hog mullets. Woo. Check it out, Alex.
Awesome, mullet.
Yeah, dude, right at the last minute. Oh, look at the size of those mullets, dude. Look at the size of those mullets, guys. Nice mullets. Caught 3 mullets. All right, guys, we're gonna start going in. It's really, really windy. Whew. Yeah, it's blowing bad. I'm surprised how this boat worked out here. It's only a 10-foot boat. It did really good. Where's Alex? Back there somewhere. All right, guys, we're done for the day. It was a good day. I had fun. Thank you, Alex, for inviting me out here.
Welcome, man.
Make sure you guys check out his channel. I'll link it in the description below. I had a small mangrove and a small jack. He did good.
Yeah.
He caught the
blue runner,
right.
the mojarra, the tiny kuda.
Tiny kuda and stuff.
But you got like a 5
mullets?
Mullets, yeah.
No, three. But
looked like 5.
Whatever. They were big.
Yeah.
So
and the fish you lost, man.
yeah, man, I gotta get used to that braid, man. No give, so it's kind of I don't know.
Yeah.
But eventually I'll get used to it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video.